Believing in what we did. And we did, and we just never gave up. This team is that type of team.
Keeps going, baby.
I mean, I love my kids. I'm so proud of them. Like, they're all my sons, man. I love you, man. Yeah. Yeah, sure is. Well, listen, all I wanted to do, you know, Matt and I, Kelly talked, and he's like, Coach, give me the ball outside, but I just wanted to get it in the middle, and I was going to, you know, I believe in Santi. I knew he could do it, and I wanted to give him one last opportunity. He tied the state record for field goals, and we're playing on Tuesday night, and that's what it's all about.
Woo! Congratulations, and good luck going forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Wrecker fans. Way to go, man! Way to go!